and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today is a very exciting lesson. We're meeting a brand new number block. We've been waiting since before Christmas to meet number 11. So I'm so excited we get to meet him today. To start, let's warm our maths brains up. And we're going to play a game we play quite a lot in school. And all you need is your two hands. And I'm going to ask you to show me fingers. So show me 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers. And remember, you can choose which ones you show because sometimes you don't always have to show the same ones as me. Okay, show me 3 fingers. Fantastic. So you could have shown me 3. Could have shown me 3. Oh, that one's a bit trickier. 3. Oh, have I got 3? 3. My finger won't go up there. 3. There's all different ways you could show 3. It's still 3 as long as you've got 3 fingers up. Okay, show me 4 fingers. Brilliant. Now that one should be nice and quick because we know there are 5 on one hand and then we just have to choose which finger goes down. Show me 1 finger. Yeah, that's easy peasy, isn't it? But it could be any one. Okay, let's see if you can do this one really quickly. Show me 5 fingers. Yeah, it could be either one of your hands. Well done, super. Show me 6 fingers. Yeah, we don't need to start at 1 because we know there's 5 and 1 more and it doesn't matter which one you put up. Show me 10 fingers. Yeah, again, super quick, 2 hands. Show me 5 fingers. Well done. Show me 9 fingers. Fantastic. Now, can you tell mums or dads or whoever's helping you today why we can do that one really, really quickly? Yeah, fantastic. Well done, because it's 1 less than 10. Okay, so it doesn't matter, 1 whole hand and then just 1, oh that one's quite tricky actually, 1 finger down on the other hand. Brilliant, well done. Okay, show me 11 fingers. Yeah, I was tricking you then. We haven't got 11 fingers. How could we show 11 fingers? Talk to the grown-up who's with you today. Brilliant, so we need 10 and 1 more. So actually you might need a partner or a friend to help you. You could hold up 10 and someone else could hold up 1 more. Brilliant. And that's what we're going to find out today. We're going to meet number 11. So mums and dads, if you could find the number blocks for me. It is series 3, can you believe it? And the episode is called 11, so enjoy. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that episode. I love number 11. I think he's brilliant. So, for the next game we're going to play, you need some cards, number cards, like we had last time. They could have number blocks on like this. 1 to 11 you need. Now, you might have had 1 to 10 last week. And I've put these on the school website, mums and dads, if you wanted to print and make, as we work through all the way up to 20. They're great fun to play with. So we've got number 11 if you want to use those, or I've put these on as well. You could just use all the way to 11, or do you know what? Just get a piece of paper and write numbers 1 to 11. And then I want you to spread them all around the room. So just pause the video now and spread your number cards all around the room that you're working in at the moment. Fantastic, well done. So I'm going to give you some clues to which number I'm thinking of. Sometimes there could be more than one answer, so you'll have to check with the grown-up you're working with. Sometimes it'll be a specific number, and you've got to run as quick as you can to that number and stand next to it, or just pick it up. It's up to you, depending on how big your cards are. Are you ready? Okay, fine. Are they all around the room? Make sure they're really spread out so there's no cheating. Okay. Can you find me 1 more than 6? What have you got? Number? Brilliant. You should have found me number 7. Well done. Okay, can you find me one less than 10? What have you got? Number 9. Brilliant. Now, mums and dads and all which adults working with you today, if you've spread them out really far, please do pause me after each one so your child's got a chance to find them. I'm just guessing how long it's taking you or how much you've spread them out or hidden them. Okay, find me any number that is more than 8. Okay, well done. So you could have found me number 9, number 10, or our new number, number 11. Brilliant. Find me any number that is less than 5. Fantastic, well done. So you could have found 1, 2, 3, 4, or you might have a 0 number card as well. Okay, find me a number that's in between 5 and 10. So more than 5 and less than 10. Brilliant. So you might have found me number 6, number 7, number 8, or number 9. Brilliant. So there's lots of options. Find me a number with 2 digits. Any number with 2 digits. Okay, well done. So our numbers with 2 digits that you could have found are number 10 or number 11. And each one of these is 1 digit. So number 10 is made up of a 1 digit and a 0 digit, and number 11 is made up of 2 1 digits. Okay, find me a number that is less than 7. Well done. So you could have found me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Well done. Okay. Can you find me a number that has 2 2s hidden in it? Find me the number that has 2 2s hidden in it. Yeah, well done. So it's number 4 is made up of 2 2s, the terrible 2s. Fantastic. Find me a number that has 3 3s hidden in it. Yeah, brilliant, well done. That's number, fab, you should have found me number 9. Okay, last one. Find me a number that is 1 more than 10. Fabulous, number 11, super. Well done, boys and girls, that's a really good game. Now I want you to pick all those cards up. Mums and dads or grannies or grandpas, can you pause the video? And I want you to order those numbers from 1 to 10, or if you want to really challenge yourself, start at, 1 to 10, 1 to 11, and if you really want to challenge yourself, go from 11 back down to 1. Brilliant. Off you go. Welcome back. So what you should have now is a lovely number line that goes from 1 to 10. We're getting 1 more every time. 11, Miss Nicholas. 1 to 11, or from 11 back down to 1. Okay, so we're going up or we're going back down. We're getting more or we're getting less each time. Now, for the next part of my activity, we're going to be thinking about that number. Let's do it on our 10s frame. We're going to be thinking about that number 11. And like I said before, 11 has 2 digits. A 1 digit and a 1 digit. But that 1 digit here, the first 1 digit, actually means 10. Okay? So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why I've got 2 10s frames now. 6, 7, 8, 9, So this first number 1 means 10. And the second number 1 means 1. So I've got a 10 and a 1, which make, brilliant, 11. Let's check I've got 11, because I've said a 10 and a 1 make 11. So let's just double check that I've got 11. Count with me, boys and girls, nice and loud. Brilliant, we got to 11. So the 1 means 10 and the 1 means 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Okay, now for the next bit, you're going to need some Play-Doh. Now you might have Play-Doh at home, which is fantastic because proper Play-Doh is sometimes a little bit easier to manipulate, a little bit less messy. But you can make Play-Doh really easily, and I've put the recipe on the website. You need plain flour, bit of water, bit of vegetable oil, already covered in it, and I can't quite remember all the other bits, potentially some salt. But have a little look on the school website, Mums and Dads, because I've put the recipe on there. Miss Stanton very kindly made this for the children this morning, and I've borrowed it. So we've chosen to put blue in today. We have different colours all the time. And oh, where's my camera? Can you see my sparkles? We've put some glitter in ours as well to make it super duper fun. So the first thing I want you to do with your Play-Doh is make me number 11. Off you go. Okay, so you need to make 2 sausages basically. So you roll the dough in between your fingers. I've got 1, 10, and I've got 1, 1. The number 11. Good start, boys and girls. It's 2 digits, a 1 and a 1. 11's hard because it's got no clues in the name. Okay, like 15 gives you a bit of a clue, but... Okay. Next one, next challenge. I want you to make me 11 presents because it's hip hip hooray week and it's the party on Friday. So I want you to make me 11 presents. Now my presents are going to be a cube shape, okay? And to make a cube, we roll a sphere to start with, which is a fancy name for a ball. And then we squash the top and bottom, we squash the sides, and we get a cube. And this is great for our fine motor skills as well. So, can you make me 11 birthday presents for the party on Friday? Off you go. Well done, boys and girls. Super presents. And I love your cubes. I love how flat your faces were on your cube. Okay, next one. We want some cakes for our party on Friday, and we want some cherries on top of our cakes. So I'd like you to make me 11 cherries to go on the top of the cake. And a cherry is a ball, a sphere shape. So you roll the Play-Doh into your hands until you get a lovely sphere. So can I have 11 cherries for the top of our cake? Off you go. Well done, they look fantastic. Now yours, if they're real Play-Doh, bought Play-Doh, it might be a little bit smoother and easier to manipulate depending on your Play-Doh. Right, please use a table if you've made your own Play-Doh because your carpet will be covered by the end of it. Last one, okay. Can you make me 11 counters? Just like I have. So to make a counter, you roll your ball again. You'll be very good at that by the end of this lesson. And then take it between your holding fingers and squash it flat, a bit like a pancake, into a nice counter like that. And you could even draw or print some tens frames and make 11 rather than using counters. A bit more exciting to use Play-Doh, isn't it? So could you make me a tens frame number 11 with Play-Doh? Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Super maths and messy maths today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that. So, thinking about our part whole model, let's just remember number 11. So if I put 11 as my whole, we've talked about splitting 11 into 2 parts, and we call it partitioning into 10s and 1s, but don't worry about that too much at the moment. So we had on our 10s frame, this is a part of 10 and a part of 1. So I'm going to put that in here. Okay, so could you either talk or write the number sentences that match my part whole model? Well done. So you could say 10 plus 1 equals 11, or 1 plus 10 equals 11, and that looks like this. Ooh. Or 10 plus 1 equals 11. Fantastic. So in tomorrow's lesson, we're going to think more about number 11, but we're going to think about different parts which make that number 11, because what we've done today is split it into 2 parts, which are 10s and 1s, which help us remember what the number 11 looks like. But tomorrow there are actually different ways of making 11, and we're going to investigate that. Super work today, boys and girls. You've worked really hard. Keep looking for that number 11 out on your daily walks. Where's number 11 on your street? Is it close to you? Do you live in number 11? Do your friends live in number 11? See what you can find. Keep looking out and counting up to 11. Have a lovely day. Bye.